Voice of Indonesia.
Listener, as many as 110 activities from 37 provinces in Indonesia enter Karisma Event Nusantara 2025. The Karisma Event Nusantara is a strategic collaboration between tourism ministry and regional governments, as well as related stakeholders to increase the positive image of Indonesian tourism. And related to this, we have a dialogue with title 9 West Sumatra Tourism Events Enter Karisma Event Nusantara 2025. And we have two guests. The first is Fiftinia Oktagusni as Tourism Marketing Staff of West Sumatra Province Government. And the second one is Bilu Priscilia as Edu Tourism Enthusiast. Now let's greet as the first Bu Fiftinia. Bu Fiftinia,
Hello,
how are
good
you today?
afternoon.
Good
Thank you for having
afternoon.
me.
Yeah, so Bu Fiftinia, how can I call you? Bu.
You can call me Titin.
Okay, Bu Titin ya. Okay. Now let's greet another one, Bilu Priscilia. Pak Bilu, good
Hello
afternoon.
everyone, I'm
Hello.
Bilu from Padang, West Sumatra.
Okay, it's me Faisal at the studio of Voice of Indonesia, Bilu.
Okay, nice to meet you, Kak.
Okay, well, Bu Titin, you know that actually 9 West Sumatra Tourism Event enter Karisma Event Nusantara 2025. Actually,
Yeah.
what are the events? Could you explain about this? Hello, Bilu.
Hello, hi.
Yes, with that, this is related to 9 West Sumatra Tourism Event enter Karisma Event Nusantara 2025. Actually, can you tell us why you established the community of tourism education?
Okay, thank
Mhm.
you. So, I'm from Padang,
Mhm.
and now I am in education and also in conservation, and also in the conservation, and
Mhm.
also I'm a tourism. I have activities in tourism, also in one of destination in Padang. We call it Objek Wisata Gunung Padang. So now I'm dedicated to promoting sustainable tourism and environmental conservation.
Mhm.
So we are in Pokdarwis. Pokdarwis is tourism awareness group, which is integrated tourism education and also the primate conservation.
Mhm.
So in Gunung Padang we have one of the extinct primates here. It's lutung kelabu, or we call it in Minang cingkua. So this is one of the extinct primates that we have in here.
Okay, well, what make you interesting? What make you interested in establishing this community, Bilu?
Because I just want to have a contribution for all of the sustainable tourism and also for the people around here, because tourism is the one of the best way to get a good condition in economics, and also for all of the teenager around here, increase their self in tourism.
So they are actively involved at this community.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so how does your community synergize to educate people about tourism?
Now, sometimes we have collaborate with various stakeholders, including also the local communities, environmental organization, and also the educational institution, for promotion, the responsible of our tourism now, because we have a main program in conservation to protect this silver lutung.
Okay, now let's greet Bu Titin, who have been connected with us. Bu Titin.
Yeah, sorry. I don't know that.
Okay, so finally,
Problem for the connection.
Bu Titin, actually, Can you tell us,
Yeah.
explain about us? I mean, explain to us about the 9 West Sumatra tourism event that enter Karisma Event Nusantara 2025.
Okay, absolutely. We have several standout events that
Mhm.
showcase the diversity of and richness of the Sumatra's culture, history, and natural beauty. First, we have Festival City Nubaya that will be held February 7th to 9th in Kota Padang. And then the second is the Festival Raki Raki that will be held in second to 4th April in Agam Regency. And then the third Festival Pesona Mentawai that will be held in 17th to 20th July in Mentawai Island Regency. and then the next Rang Solo Baralek Gadang that will be held in August 7th in Solo. And also we have Sawah Lunto International Songket Silungkang Carnival that will be held in September 5 to 7th September in Sawah Lunto City. And then we have Festival Lima Danau in 21st to 23rd October in Tanah Datar Regency. And then we also have Sawah Lunto International Music Festival that will be held in October, 24th to 27th October in Sawah Lunto. And the last, we have Minangkabau Festival that will be held, Festival Pesona Minangkabau that will be held in November, 2nd to 4th November in Tanah Datar region. So we have 9 events that included in Karisma Event Nusantara.
Wow, excellent. It's full of activities ya, Bu Titin ya, until the end of 2025. Okay.
Absolutely. So we have each month we have maybe 9 months we have full events. So we hope that this event will enrich the experience for the tourists who visit West Sumatra province.
Voice of Indonesia.
Voice of Indonesia, the overseas service of Radio Republic Indonesia, broadcast in 9 language services: English, French, German, Dutch, Spanish, Arabic, Mandarin, Japanese, and Indonesian. Voice of Indonesia is broadcast by shortwave 3325 kHz and 4755 kHz and via streaming on voanews.id and RRI Digital on mobile application. We present various programs for you: Diplomatic Forum, The Session, Indonesian Wonder, Miscellany, Let's Speak Bahasa Indonesia, Indonesian pop and regional songs, international musical entertainment, as well as news and information about Indonesia and abroad. Voice of Indonesia, from Indonesia to the world.
Voice of Indonesia.
So listener, let's continue our dialogue with Bu Titin and also Bilu Priscilia. Still talking about 9 West Sumatra tourism events enter Karisma Event Nusantara 2025. Bilu.
Okay.
Okay,
Nice.
well, what are the contribution, of your community for the events of tourism during these events, 2025 actually?
Uh,
Hmm.
so yeah, our contribution for Can event for now, because we are in conservation enthusiasts
Mhm.
and cultural education advocate, we actively contribute to this event by opening a promotional booth to introduce our program. So we only contribute to join for the booth for
Mhm.
introduce our program. So like we are promote our sustainable tourism initiative, raise awareness about how to protect the Silver because of the mass tourism, for like that.
Mm. Well, I mean, does your community also invite maybe students or university students in Padang so that they are also able to, I can say, participate, yeah, for this conserving?
Oh yeah, of course. We also promotion our program for all of the school around us in Kota Tua Padang. So we try to introduce them about these extinct primates, so they can help us to protect these primates from the tourism activities.
All right. Now let's turn to Bu Titin. Bu Titin, do you have any targets?
Okay, yeah.
Do you have any targets or visitors domestically and also internationally during this event?
Okay. This year in 2020, we targeting 20% increase from our last year visitor that we welcomed 19 million point 142 something domestic tourists and to 76,000 international tourists. So we hope this year we will have a 20% increase in this from this number. So around 20 million something visitors we are expecting this year.
Okay. So activities from 37 provinces in Indonesia enter Karisma Event Nusantara 2025. The Karisma Event Nusantara is a strategic collaboration between tourism ministry and regional governments as well as related stakeholders to increase the positive image of Indonesian tourism. And related to this, we have a dialogue with title 9 West Sumatra Tourism Events Enter Karisma Event Nusantara 2025. And we have two guests. The first is Fiftinia Oktagusni as Tourism Marketing Staff of West Sumatra Province Government. And the second one is Bilu Priscilia as Edu Tourism Enthusiast. Now let's greet as the first Bu Fiftinia. Bu Fiftinia,
Hello,
how are
good
you today?
afternoon.
Good
Thank you for having
afternoon.
me.
Yeah, so Bu Fiftinia, how can I call you? Bu-
You can call me Titin.
Okay, Bu Titin ya. Okay. Now let's greet another one, Bilu Priscilia. Pak Bilu, good
Hello
afternoon.
everyone, I'm
Hello.
Bilu from Padang, West Sumatra.
Okay, it's me Faisal at the studio of Voice of Indonesia, Bilu.
Okay, nice to meet you, Kak.
Okay, well, Bu Titin, you know that actually 9 West Sumatra Tourism Event enter Karisma Event Nusantara 2025. Actually,
Yeah.
what are the events? Could you explain about this? Hello, Bilu.
Hello, hi.
Yes, with that, this is related to 9 West Sumatra Tourism Event enter Karisma Event Nusantara 2025. Actually, can you? So, do you also need such collaboration to promote
Yeah.
your community with, I mean, stakeholders such as local government also, such Bu Titin?
Okay. Yeah, we have a collaboration with the government also, and I think this collaboration is highly beneficial, yeah, for our ecotourism and also for our conservation program. So, for the first, I think why is this collaboration is important for us. For the first is this is a policy and regulation support. We need a regulation and also the policy support
Yes.
for protect the mass tourism happen in our destination, and it can save our our fauna and our flora here.
Mm.
And for the first, we need this collaboration for the funding and grants from the local governments.
So it is important, yeah, to have such
Yeah.
collaboration with local government. Okay.
And also, it's more important is for the support us in infrastructure and also the facilities.
Mhm.
So because of that, for all of the tourists never do something wrong in our destination. So it will not making something wrong for our Lutung here.
Okay.
Mm.
Now let's turn to Bu Titin. Bu Titin, like what has been said by Bilu Priscilla, that she also needs such,
Yes.
like support, yeah, from local government. How do you see this?
Yes, of course. For to keep the sometimes the tourism, we cannot only focus on the economic benefit from the tourism activity. We should be aware that the tourism activity can also cause or bring harm to our let's say our nature, and also yeah, we call it sustainable tourism. Yeah, we absolutely agree, and also we support. We actually let's say have in, let's say invited the community and we community based tourism. Uh, we let's say uh, we promote, and we want that the community to get involved in the tourism industry, because they, let's say, to build the awareness in the community, because we government cannot stand alone to keep this tourism and keep the tourism and sustainability go hand in hand. So yeah, we always encourage a community to involve and give us maybe the insight how to uh, develop our tourism in more friendly, natural, what's the um, socially and social and naturally friendly.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, let's come to
something like. Mhm.
okay, Bu Titin, let's come to the last question, especially now for Bilu. Do you have any such expectation for this event related to the empowerment of your community?
I just want to for all of the peoples want to very supportive and supportive for our program to protect our biodiversity around us, because destination is not about tourism. I just want to all of the people know about this, because please stop the mass tourism, because in the destination it's not about us, because there is animal and also the plant there. So please stop the mass tourism. I think that's enough for me.
Okay, now Bu Titin, go ahead
Okay.
of your expectation for this event.
Yeah, we hope that through this event, wider we can introduce West Sumatra to wider audience, and more and more people will, let's say, know West Sumatra. That this Sumatra not only famous for the culinary, but we also have culture, rich in culture, rich in let's say natural landscapes. So through this event, we hope many visitors will come to West Sumatra, and we are more than happy to welcome you all in West Sumatra.
All right, thank you very much, Ibu 15 Oktagusni, namely called as Titin, Bu Titin, and also
Okay.
Bilu Priscilia. Thank you for your attention and time to join our special dialogue today.
Okay, thank you for having
Okay, thank
me.
you.
Okay, thank you. So, listener, that was our special dialogue with Ibu Titin and also Bu Bilu Priscilia. Still talking about 9 West Sumatra tourism events, Enter Karisma Event Nusantara 2025. I am Anwar Faisal. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
Voice of Indonesia.